Hello YouTube, Brent Peeler here with you. Coming to you from Phuket. Got the same hotel as I had last time and thought I'd give you a quick look around. Just got your basic TV, refrigerator, got you a hot pot. Comes with complimentary water. Got a nice comfortable bed. Of course got aircon. Look at that handsome frame right there. It's got just your sink, toilet, tank tenderizer, and a basic shower. But everything you need, just a pretty nice, relaxing. Got you some swans. I don't care if you're at a hotel and they don't have swans made out of towels. You're in the wrong place. Got this little smoking section, or that's what I'm going to use it as. I'll sneak out there and try to smoke until they tell me I can't. I think it's perfectly fine. But yeah, it's got a nice rooftop pool up above on the top floor. I'll give y'all a little tour about of that here in a little bit, and I'll keep you posted, folks. Okay, folks, I'm back. I'm in between the famous Bangla walking street and Patong Beach Road. It's a little daytime walk during the day. This place really fires up at night. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's getting ready to come to life. Thought I'd make this quick little walk through before it gets too crazy, before the music gets too loud. Show you the beach, Patong Beach. Hopefully this music in the background ain't messing me up. Oh, got some good news. Got some good news on my tablet. When it was a roundabout way of getting it. I called the airport. Didn't have any luck. So I showed up a little early this morning and I went to the Lost and Found. Of course, there's a airport Lost and Found, then there's your specific airline Lost and Found. And talked to the guy and he said, no, didn't find it. Well, when I was getting off the plane here in Phuket, I just happened to walk by Air Asia Lost and Found. So I stopped and talked to that lady, and she was a lot of help. She looked on her computer, asked me what it was, asked me if it had a cover on it. I told her, yeah, black cover, blah, blah, blah. I hope you can hear me. And anyway, she showed me pictures of my tablet. It just happens to be in Manila right now, but it should be back at the Phuket airport by the time I leave here. She said it'd probably take a day or two. Of course, I'm gonna be here 7 days. So I'm getting my tablet back, or it looks like I'm getting my tablet back. So yeah, I feel pretty awesome about that. I'm a negative thinker, so I just thought it was a goner. And I wouldn't even have checked on it if it hadn't been for the people in the comments. And I got to thinking back, one time I lost my wallet in a drugstore in the Philippines. And how they tracked me down, they found a phone number from a motorcycle shop where I'd rented a scooter. And I don't know how it come about, but they called me up, said, hey, we got your wallet down here. And I was tickled to death. It had about $200, probably around $200 in it. Every bit of my money was still there, and that's just amazing, folks. And so, like I say, I followed up on my tablet, and it looks like I'll be getting it back. That's the end of Bangla Road right there. Patong Beach, famous sign. Shit, I'm standing right in the middle of the damn road. And then here's your Patong Beach. And there's usually parasailing and all kinds of stuff going on right here. Water, it's the wrong time of the day for the water to be just gorgeous looking, because you know anytime you got cloud cover and that kind of stuff. water just looks white, so you can't tell how blue it is. Last time I was here, these guys on these parasails, they would just stop long enough to unharness, throw the new passenger in a harness, and the guy would just jump on the parasail with them, do a little back flip, and just ride it out with him, no harness or nothing. So they know what they're doing when it comes to the parasail, and they can get them in and out of here. But you can look, it goes all the way out to that boat out yonder. That's Patong Beach, folks. Awful peoply, but it's going to get even more peoply here, especially on this Bangla road. Like I say, the sun's fixing to go down. There it is. So yeah, I'm going to do a little cruising by here on this beach, and then I'll get back to you folks. Okay folks, going back down Bangla Road, probably ease on back to my hotel, rest up a little bit before dark. Might even go enjoy the pool, you never know. Yep, this is Bangla Road, it's got everything you want folks. Nightlife, good eats, Mary Jane. Still hadn't seen any vapes though. Massage, you can get all kinds of anything you want folks. Soak it up because we got about 7 days of this. Street food here. Insane in the membrane. It's a pretty cool little vibe, folks. You know, doing this shit every day, it'd probably get old pretty quick, but just a few days, it's a good change of pace. Put this camera down here in a minute, maybe I'll get a little bit more attention. Kind of frown on these cameras. And like normal, the further you get from the Bangla Road, the cheaper shit gets. So keep that in mind if you come to the famous Bangla Road. And there's massage places all over this place. So if you're looking for a massage, I'm sure there's one right across the street from my hotel. Matter of fact, the same owner owns it as the hotel. It's like 350 baht for an hour. So I bet they're 850 down here. And of course, the one at my hotel, it's strictly professional. It's not none of that hanky-panky stuff. I'm sure you could probably go that route if you wanted to, but I've never done it. There's the Illusion nightclub. That's a pretty famous nightclub here. The Mystic, Zenithy. I don't know anything about them. This Illusion's supposed to be pretty famous. right, folks, that's just about gonna wrap it up. Like I say, I'm gonna go kick back for a while. May chill in the pool tonight, may just sit and relax, I don't know, may come back down here, do a little people watching. No set schedule, but if I do, I'll bring you along. I'll bring you along for the ride. We'll just play it by ear. That's all I got for now. This is Brent's Tripping. Peace. Okay, folks, I'm back. Still hadn't made it to my hotel. Got sidetracked along the way. One of them massage ladies talked me into coming in and getting a back rub. So still headed back to the Patong mansion. And I'll take you up and show you the swimming pool, the little rooftop pool. It's right before dark. And like I say, this place comes to life after dark. I may just call it a day. Go show you all this pool and stuff, and then I'll probably wind up taking a shower and just relaxing for the rest of the evening. I got 3 days of this, so no need in getting too big a hurry. I think I'm going the right direction. I'll get back with y'all in a bit. Okay, folks, back at the hotel here, the Patong Mansion. Let's check out this swimming pool. Pretty sweet, folks, pretty sweet. Right down there's Patong Beach. I'm up here on the hill. I don't know if you can tell, there's a mountain right there. Just a beautiful spot, folks. Probably a 10-minute walk from the beach. Highly recommend Patong Mansion. Like I say, this is the second time I've stayed here, and all's good except for the 10-minute walk. But I need to be walking anyway. All right, folks, I'm gonna get off here. This is Brent's Tripping. Peace.